Hey YouTube, I just got this phone, the LG Power. It's from Straight Talk, and I'm going to do an unboxing video with this phone. Okay, opening the package. Okay. Okay. Let's open it up. First, you're going to need to peel these, if you already know how to. Yeah. And lastly, okay, got it. Okay, got it open. Okay, I got this part. Let's see what we got in the package. First, we got the back cover to the LG Power. Pretty nice. Then we got something from LG. This quick start guide. We got an LG battery, which looks pretty good. We got the cable for charging. Then we got the adapter. Now let's see what's in the contents. We got the start here guide, the services guide, and the terms and conditions of service. Then we got the Straight Talk wireless, I don't know. Then something from Home Phone. Here we see we got the phone here. Let me open it quickly. Uh-oh. Okay. See, we got the LG Power right here. Looks pretty nice. Huh. We got the front camera right here, front facing camera. Back camera right here. Flash. Okay. This battery looks good. This battery looks like it might last me a long time. Although I thought this phone was going to be curvy. But it's actually a Straight Talk phone. Yeah. Can't wait to charge this phone up and get it working. Well, I guess this is the end of this unboxing videos. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like.